We're going to be talking about a Bitcoin breakout to $150,000 in Q1 of 2025. We've got some XRP news. We've got some Floki news and a couple other pieces of news. We are officially in 2025. This is the moment we have been waiting for. President-elect Trump will step into office on the 20th of this month, January. Gary Gensler will be leaving. He is publicly enemy number one as opposed to crypto, or as far as crypto goes, and he's going to be gone. And it's looking like a very, very, very bright year for crypto. So we're going to keep covering the news. We're going to be doing all kinds of stuff. And I'm just happy to be here. And if you guys are brand new to the channel, make sure you subscribe with alerts set so you stay up to date and you get more. You get everything I have to give. Like this video, and of course, drop me a comment. I have a poll at the top. Will Bitcoin hit $150,000 in Q1 of 2025? I want to hear, because I'm a little bit skeptical. But hey, got a lot of bullish news coming today. Shout out to Chicken Bone Broth Gang. Every morning we drink some chicken bone broth, about a cup. It's got 9 grams of protein, 45 calories, and I put a little tea bag of turmeric, lemon, and ginger, because it's just good for your body. Health is wealth. Also, shout out to the channel members. If you become a channel member on YouTube, I'll give you special shout outs. Shout out to Mr. R, Steady User, Mick, Eric, Minky, and the rest. And also, too, shout out to Squid Grow. We love Squid Grow. Not even close to $150,000. Oh my. Well, we are in a very, very strong, we're looking a little bit bullish right now, This is the daily. And as you guys know, crypto is not a serious industry. Fartcoin is up 45.7%. Brett, AI16Z, which we'll talk about that in a minute. We're going to talk about AI meme coins. AI16Z is something we called on the channel. I faded Fartcoin because I'm full of it. But just kidding. No, I did fade Fartcoin. There's just so many meme coins out there. It is hard to essentially pick which ones are going to do well. And Fartcoin is doing those. As far as the weekly goes, AI16 is taking the lead. DEXE, virtual, all of this stuff. PP is up 17%. XRP is up 11%. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the market, see what's going on. Bitcoin ran a little bit too earlier today to $97,000 earlier. Now we had a little bit of a pullback. We finally got that breakout that I was talking about. That's what I was waiting for before I was going to give any calls or do anything like that. I wanted to see us break above $95,000. No, I can't fix my hair in the back. It's crazy. It's just supposed to be crazy. I have a cowlick and it looks like a bald spot, but it's not. But it just is what it is. Plus, it's hair washing day. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. I don't really care. It's just life. It's okay to be natural some days. All right. Our hot mess. Also, too, taking a look at the daily market cipher. It's got a green dot at the bottom here. Number goes up. And as you can see, we broke above 95,000. I want to see us close there. Taking a look at the weekly is looking good as well. However, we'll see what happens with market cipher here. Now, taking a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours consolidating nicely at above $95,000. Great find. Fantastic. Ethereum is finally saw some positive price action earlier. Jeez Louise. I'm going to remove all the drawing tools on this dumb chart because Ethereum is the project that just doesn't go up. Well, it does kind of, sort of. All right, for Ethereum, we got support of $3,300 and we are up we need to really kind of break out of $3,500. I need us back at $4,000. Okay. I need us back $4,000. So with Ethereum, I'm just kind of watching it. There's a lot of price action that happened in this tight area here, 3,300 to 3,500. So me personally, I'm just going to be chilling until we break out above $3,500. Solana is now back above $200. We got a beautiful breakout, beautiful breakout over here. Everyone is bullish. Everyone is excited. XRP freaking shot up like crazy on the daily. Love to see it. We tested this area here at 197. We broke above 218 and now we're testing 246. So that's going to be a key area that I'm going to want to watch for, okay? Is a breakout above 246. That would be gorgeous. Now, will prices sustain here? It kind of depends. We'll see what happens. We are going into the weekend and things could get a little bit tiresome. As far as Link goes, Link is trading above support over here at $21.51. Cardano is broke out above the trend line here. So everything is breaking up. Everything is looking absolutely wonderful. A lot of people ask me, Wendy, what is the best investment I can get into? I would probably look into Bitcoin. I would probably look into Bitcoin. That's what I would do if I were you. Bitcoin is one of those coins that you do want to hold long term, at least that I'm planning on holding it long term. Do what works for you. Shout out to Gala. Got a moon bag of Gala that I'm still holding on to, and I hope that they turn things around. Now let's go ahead and get into some of the stories over here. Okay. Also, we have a $5 super chat from Aaron. Thank you so much, Aaron. I appreciate it. Shout out to Eric over here. Shout out to CryptoW. We appreciate you. Let's keep it going. There's lots more stuff to cover. So this first story here, Bitcoin traders see massive $130,000 plus Bitcoin price as TradFi returns. Cool, great, fantastic, very, very happy for them. So basically it's just a bunch of traders that Cointelegraph quotes and is like, oh, we're going to the moon. And that's great. That's fine. That's fantastic for them. I'm happy for them. One thing I will say is in this article, it does say these traditional financial traders, TradFi, TradFi traders return to the holidays could drive liquidity and risk on sentiment, according to Cointelegraph. And this makes sense. This totally makes sense. I do see Bitcoin. I think that we will hit an all-time high of about 150 to 250,000 in 2025. Now, how far are we from $150,000 right now? Let's go and see. We'll take a look. Actually, we didn't look at the monthly. I think I should probably take a look at the monthly, right? This is a Bitfinex chart. Set the chart over here. So this is a monthly chart over here. Monthly chart. Last month, we opened at 96 and we closed at about 93,000. Swing wick high to 108. Swing wick low to $89,000. So we might get another bullish candle. Right now, we do need to break above 108,000, but people are saying the first quarter. So let's go ahead and denote a vertical line here because this would be 3. I think is it going to be the end? So January, February, March. Okay. It would need to be 4/1, I believe. Anyways. So we have 3 months to hit this target of $150,000. Now we need to pump. Where are we? Here we are. We would need to pump about 56%, which I think is doable, but it does look a little bit, it looks like a long road. So can we hit $150,000 in Q1 of 2025? Yes, 100%. The only thing I'm going to say, I'm going to be a little bit cautious here because we know we're going to get, regulation. We know that we are going to get more rules that we're going to have to abide by. There's going to be all different things that are happening when it comes to crypto. However, a lot of people forget that there's 2 different classes when you're talking about rules and laws and regulations, especially for a brand new industry like crypto, especially for an industry that actually threatens the banks. Okay. That is, there's retail, us, and then there's accredited. Retail means that the public servants think you're poor and stupid. And that's why it's very important for us to have our voices heard. Accredited investors, you make over $250,000 a year, and you have assets, I believe, over $1 million. Okay. So those are going to be the ones that get the positive regulation. We don't know what retail is going to get. Yes, there's institutions that are coming in. There's going to be a lot of liquidity coming in and a lot of money coming in. But at the same time, that's something that you do have to take into account. So those types of regulations, if they're not positive for retail, things could get a little bit crazy. So that's just one thing that I want to bring in for you guys to think about. And as I think it's important because everyone's like, oh my God, it's bullish. Also too, a lot of people are not understanding how crypto taxes and those types of things work. A lot of people don't read things. So just be careful and just be cautious. We don't know exactly what we're getting yet. We want positive action when it comes to crypto. But at the same time, you guys, you got to be cautious. You just have to be cautious. I know I say that a lot, but at the same time, people get mad about everything. Are you okay? Okay, thank you for telling me. I'll deal with it in a little bit. No, I just started, but I'll be out soon. Okay, love you. Okay, I'll tell my subscribers and my people, the O Army. What? I will tell them. Goodbye. Love having my kid home. All right, next story. This is from Cointelegraph. The bullish news continues. Bitcoin outperforms every major asset class to top the charts for 2024. So this chart over here is just basically showing how strong Bitcoin is and how much it has performed in 2024 compared to other assets. And this is exactly why we've gotten so much pushback with Bitcoin and crypto, just because, as you can see over here, a lot of these are traditional financial assets, all of them are, and we've actually outperformed it. We've outperformed it in 2024, 121%. 121%. Cumulative and analyzed. Look at the numbers here. Look at the numbers. This is insane. Okay. Mid caps, small caps, convertible bonds, high yield bonds, preferred stocks. We have absolutely destroyed and decimated traditional finance. And that's why they have been so terrible to the crypto community. This is freaking crazy. It really, really, really is. So when you think about it, Bitcoin is here to stay. Crypto is here to stay. And we just need positive regulations to reinforce this narrative. Seriously. All right, so this is a Fox Business News story over here. I can't play it for you, but basically, no, I'm not going to deal with this. Basically, it's Michael Saylor. And Michael Saylor went on Fox News just to kind of talk about how excited he is for 2025. He predicted a significant shift of capital towards Bitcoin over the next few decades, which we know is happening because he's leading the charge. He also suggests that resources like gas and assets like currencies and real estate will be sold to invest in Bitcoin. Yes and no. Yes and no. These are for the rich people. This is not for the average person. He predicts Bitcoin, or his prediction includes Bitcoin's growth to $200 trillion in 21 years, $13 million per Bitcoin. If that happens to Bitcoin, we will all be doing very well. And that's why I've told you. I think that Bitcoin, like if you haven't invested in Bitcoin and you're thinking about it, look at gold and really just kind of look at this chart over here. This chart really tells you all you need to know when it comes to crypto and Bitcoin. So I agree with Michael Saylor. A lot of those assets he's talking about, people will still hold on to them, but the super, super, super rich and wealthy will be the ones that dump money into Bitcoin at that price. Next, Nate Grassi predicts crypto ETFs will dominate in 2025. 5 developments to watch. And we kind of touched on this a little bit yesterday with XRP and Solana ETFs. I definitely think we'll be getting those in 2025. But ETF store president Nate Grassi gave 5 predictions for 2025. Combined spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, which is why I think that Ethereum will be okay. And I'm hoping for that $10,000 Ethereum. Spot Ethereum options. In-kind creation for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Ethereum staking ETF, and spot Solana ETF. Potential approval in a pro-crypto regulatory environment. I agree with him, but I also think that we will be getting an XRP ETF. So again, we have more bullish news for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, just crypto in general. And once we get the first crypto ETF that is not Bitcoin or Solana, things are going to go absolutely crazy. And I feel that a lot of the cryptos that we have, the legitimate ones, they will be getting their own ETFs, in my personal opinion. Now, this story over here. The Morgan Stanley's E-Trade explores offering crypto trading. This is massive. And they want to launch direct crypto trading services here. Hold on a second. What in the hee-haw is going on? I have no idea. Let's see. Oh. Anyways. Whoops. Sorry, Tic Tac. Oh my gosh, I screwed this up. Did I screw this up? Here, we'll leave it and we'll open it back. Whoopsie. Sorry. I get weird messages. Anyways, back to this. So Morgan Stanley's E-Trade is reportedly exploring plans to launch direct crypto trading services. This basically means we will get trading services from Morgan Stanley's E-Trade once we get positive regulation. And you're going to see this trend boom in 2025. Once we get rules as to what people can and can't do, there's going to be a stupid amount of money coming in. Not necessarily, well, from retail, from everybody. But things are going to get crazy. So E-Trade currently provides indirect exposure to crypto through products like Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, GPTC, and if implemented, E-Trade would compete with major exchanges like Coinbase. So I think Coinbase is going to end up kind of turning into like a crypto bank, but this is going to be interesting. Like you're going to be able to, like just how you would trade on Robinhood and Coinbase, you're going to do that with E-Trade. It would become one of the largest financial institutions in the crypto trading space. And Morgan Stanley disclosed 272 million in spot Bitcoin ETFs holding at the end of quarter 3, 2024, mostly AAVE. So they've got a lot of Bitcoin ETFs. It doesn't say here if they have Bitcoin or not. And the reason why they probably don't have Bitcoin is because they don't know. They don't know what exactly we're going to get coming in. So the AAVE, the ETFs are a lot safer. But once this gets approved, which I think it will, things are going to get stupid. So I don't think we've seen anything yet. Now, this next story over here, Ray Dalio is joining Larry Fink as a Bitcoin evangelist. And didn't Ray Dalio say negative things about Bitcoin way back in the day? I feel like he did. These 5 Wall Street Titans thought Bitcoin was a fad. Here's what they say now. And this is a great article. So apparently Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater, has an evolving relationship with Bitcoin and crypto over the years. Bridgewater Associates is an asset management firm with over 162 billion. Initially skeptical, Dalio has gradually recognized crypto's potential. So basically 2017, he called Bitcoin a speculative bubble. In 2021, published an essay calling Bitcoin a hell of an invention. He called it an alternative gold-like asset and remained skeptical about whether Bitcoin can maintain widespread adoption over time. Okay. He stated that governments might resist Bitcoin or gold becoming superior to fiat. 2024, he advocated for diversified investments amid global economic uncertainties and expressed concerns about the rising debt levels of central banks worldwide. He recommended gold and Bitcoin as hedges against potential financial instability. So again, Larry Fink kind of said the same thing. Ray Dalio is saying the same thing. We're going to see more and more people that said terrible things about Bitcoin essentially come into the crypto markets because of how well these things have done. I mean, what person, like everybody's like traditional finance, blah, 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 blah. What person in traditional finance would not be interested in Bitcoin? Look at this. Look at the asset class total return since 2011. Look at this. Just need to look at the numbers over here, the cumulative or even the annualized. Bitcoin is the lead. Bitcoin is the top. Even the US NASDAQ 100 can't even compete at 966%. Okay. So of course, all these people are coming into it. So if you don't own Bitcoin, something you should definitely pay attention to. As far as a lot of other cryptos go, do what works for you. Now, Robinhood apparently gave quite a bit of money to their gold members over here. I'm not a gold member. I don't even know what the heck it is. But gold members who joined the countdown got a 1-to-1 piece of 2.5 million in Bitcoin. So we're going to see more companies do this to get people excited. So shout out to Robinhood for giving away free Bitcoin. Absolutely love it. Absolutely loved it. And I just kind of want to touch on the story over here because I thought it was interesting. But apparently, this is a Cointelegraph article over here. But apparently, you can purchase a home using crypto-backed loans. And as somebody who wants to invest in real estate in 2025, I think this is interesting because I have Bitcoin and Ethereum and stables and all these coins. And I don't know, like if I cash them out, I get hit with taxes, all kinds of things. So you can use crypto as collateral for home loans without selling. Okay, it says Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. There are platforms bridging DeFi and real estate, offering liquidity without selling your crypto. The advantage is you get to retain your crypto investments and avoid capital gains, which is absolutely amazing. As far as the risks, market volatility like margin calls, regulatory uncertainty, and complex terms. Complex terms, not a big issue here. Also, in real estate, blockchain enables transparency, efficiency, automation with smart contracts, and some platforms that offer crypto lending loans include Nexos, Lend, and Salt Lending. I personally would wait. I would not be touching any of these products right now until they hit the mainstream. That's just me because I'm a little bit, not necessarily skeptical, I'm just a little bit cautious. But a lot of people don't understand about liquidations. And that's going to be key here. So we'll see how this plays out. But I did want to bring this to your guys' attention because I thought it was interesting. I did love to see that this is actually being talked about and discussed. Like, absolutely amazing. Shout out to Queen. Shout out to everybody's here. Shout out to Sparkwater, all my channel members. Margin calls are scary. They could take your Bitcoin. Yes, 100%. And what a lot of people also don't understand about margin calls is that. Also, too, make sure y'all smash a like. Smash a like. When we talk about a margin call, then they take your Bitcoin and you basically get liquidated. You have to pay taxes on that. And that's a bad thing. So you just have to be cautious with it. But I do like this idea with real estate and whatnot with Bitcoin. Now, spot Ethereum ETFs logged record monthly inflows exceeding 2 billion in December. This is bullish for my Ethereum bags. Y'all know I'm an Ethereum bag holder and it makes me happy. So, moral of the story over here, the year ended with 35.24 billion cumulative inflows and 105.4 billion in total net assets. And there is a 5.7% of Bitcoin's total market cap as far as Ethereum ETFs go. And they had a cumulative net inflow of 2.6 billion. So please keep pumping my Ethereum bags. Please, please, please. I told you guys I'm going to be completely rebalancing my crypto portfolios this year or however long the bull run lasts. I want to get rid of most of my Ethereum. I'm going to keep some moon bags, but I'm really just going to be holding Bitcoin. And I really kind of want to rebalance and see what else I can get myself into. Now, just a friendly reminder, there's going to be about $7 billion worth of crypto token unlocks amid market uncertainty. But it's not just the market uncertainty. It's just, it just happens, okay? So if you're holding, take a look at this article over here. There's like 20 coins. If you're holding any of these coins, take a look. Take a look, because it could cause a little bit of, volatility. And you want to make sure you're doing well. Now, Ripple unlocks coins all the time. It's just something that they do and everyone knows. So Ripple unlocks 500 million XRP with a promising message. So this story broke and everyone's like, oh my God, a message. So basically the message was that, it came with a memo, and you can send a memo with any XRP transaction. January 20th is around the corner. Donald Trump will be in the White House and we are going to make crypto great again. Most sources say the memo did not originate from Ripple itself. Anyone can add a message to escrow transactions, and this is 100% correct. 100% correct. You can add memos to different blockchains when you're sending transactions back and forth. And it's kind of a cool thing about it. We absolutely love it. But at the same time, it wasn't anyone from the Ripple team. I highly, 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 highly doubt it. Callie said, breaking, Do Kwon pleads not guilty to fraud charges over 40 billion Terra collapse. Of course he didn't, he claimed not guilty. Again, I think it was a multitude of people that caused this crap. But anyways, oh wait, we got someone with channel something. Shout out to Coins Chick, you guys. She just gifted Daniel a membership. Thank you so much, Coins Chick. You guys make sure you follow her. She's really, really sweet. She knows what she's talking about, and we love to just support other people in the industry. So shout out to Miss Coins Chick. And now the next one, the story is an exciting story. Very, very exciting. Oh, this was just the whale alert over here. This wasn't exciting. We knew that Ripple was unlocking 500 million XRP. This is what it is. It happens. And then this is the message over here. You guys can see this on the blockchain if you want. And again, you can send memos with anything. So that's it over here. This is the XRP Explorer that people use. Okay. Now. Very, very exciting news for Floki. And yes, we've partnered with Floki. We love Floki. I love what they're doing. I love their community. And it's just really nice to see, there's a couple other meme coin projects, meme utility projects like Floki that have just done really well by their community. And it's nice to see. And I love partnering with them. And I love discussing all the cool things that they're doing. So there have been some really big updates for Floki that we do have to discuss. They partnered with Kings World Cup Nations, which is a huge, huge, huge football tournament running January 1st and 12th, and expected to reach 600 million video views and over 20 million hours watched across Twitch, YouTube, X, and TikTok. I need to get on Twitch. That's the goal. I just need to set up Restream. But anyways, this is big for them because they're going to get exposure, 600 million video views. They're going to get massive views. And this is the perfect time to do all these things. Plus, Floki's branding will be seen by millions of people around the world. And you can see one of the banners actually right over here. On this, you can see it right over there on the Kings World League, which is super, super cool. Floki.com. Love this for them. Exciting. And then this next piece over here is about Floki University or University of Floki. So basically what this is it's a new crypto education platform that aims to bridge the knowledge gap for next wave of users. Basically what this means is Floki they're helping to not only help educate their community, but brand new people that are interested in getting into the Floki community or just people that are interested in crypto at all. And I like that they're doing this because number one, they're doing an introduction to blockchain technology and an understanding of DeFi fundamentals. The reason why this is so important is because you need to educate people. People do need some education. Like, yeah, you can get education from me and whatnot, but at the same time, this is a more put together form of education, okay? More put together form of education, which I think is great. And I think more projects should do this as well. So if you're brand new to crypto, you're looking for a place to start, this is probably a good place to start. Also, too, Floki is working with Sri Lanka, tour of New Zealand to reach millions of cricket fans worldwide. And again, more sports stuff for the boys, sports stuff for the boys. And again, Floki's presence will be prominently displayed through the 6 matches. Here's a cute little sign over here. Look at them. They're right above KFC. Right above KFC, which is super, super cool. Y'all know who KFC is. But the series is going to be broadcasted across major networks worldwide, including Sony Sports, Amazon Prime, TNT Sports, all kinds of stuff. So shout out to our partners over at Floki. I love what they're doing. Now, let's go ahead and get into some more AI stuff over here. So one of the projects we called hit, I believe, $2 billion. It was AI16Z. I've told you guys to pay attention to what's happening on DAO.fund. But apparently AI meme tokens surged near 11 billion total market cap, which is insane, okay? So it's AI16Z, Fartcoin. I didn't know that Fartcoin was an AI meme coin, but that makes sense. Zero Bro, and they collectively represent 40% of the total AI market cap. And AI16Z actually hit $2.7 billion, which, excuse me, this thing is just not stopping anytime soon. A lot of people keep saying, Wendy, should I buy more? Well, a lot of other people are buying more, but this is basically your choice if you want to buy more. I hold it. That's that. But I'm very, very happy to be an AI16Z holder. Also, too, Binance Futures to launch GRIF AI16Z in Zero Bro perpetual contracts with up to 75 times leverage trading. One thing I want to say about that, shout out to Binance and shout out to these 3 teams, primarily AI16Z, because I'm holding that. You have no business using leverage, though. 75 times, no, but I think it's super, super cool. A trick you could do is you can do 1 times leverage, so it's kind of like a spot, but kind of not if you want. But again, if you do want to get liquidated and use leverage, I've got ref links for Femex down below, so do that. And if you want to pick up any of these coins, I've got Moonshot, so there's that. You guys can use that if you like. The ref links are down below, over here. Queen, she says she's taking notes. Important updates from someone trying their best. Hi. Yeah, Eric, you can use my ref link and use 1-time leverage. You can do that if you like. Or you can do 75 times leverage. Also, too, AAVE net deposits hits 33.4 billion, which surpassed levels seen during the 2021 bull market. What does this mean and why are we talking about it? So back in 2021, we had DeFi summer. Well, it's 2020. And AAVE and Curve and a couple of these other guys, they've sustained. And AAVE is like the go-to place for DeFi. Like it facilitates a lot of things. So the fact that we're seeing levels like this just means that things are just getting started. We've been in a bull market, but it's going to get even crazier, in my personal opinion. Also, too, there's rumors about a phantom airdrop that's coming. I don't know if that's true or not, so just be cautious with that. Don't give anyone your private information. And then this story over here is something we got to talk about. This one is important. Y'all remember the Tether FUD that happened? Well, Tether delisting FUD had zero effect on USDT reserves, according to CryptoQuant CEO. And I like the CryptoQuant CEO. He's pretty with it. So European exchanges are delisting XRP to comply with MiCA. Under MiCA, stablecoin issuers must get specific licenses to operate. Tether did not comply, so that's why they're getting delisted. Can Tether go back and get the licenses? Yes. Will they? I have no idea. However, what I did is I actually I swapped all my Tether to USDC just in case if we get something like this happening in America. That's just me. Do what works for you. USDT's market cap fell from 140.5 billion to 138 billion within a week, which isn't really that bad considering the FUD. And USDT slightly lost its 1-to-1 peg with the US dollar. But again, USDT generally ranges from 98 cents to $1.02, whatever. And according to the CEO of CryptoQuant, data on exchange reserves suggests buying pressure for USDT remains strong and said reserves for USDT show no significant decline. So it's kind of hard to navigate all of the FUD and all the news and different things that are happening in crypto. But that's why you guys subscribe to the O Show, everything crypto every day, because I give it to you and I give it to you raw. And I'm also very honest about my opinion of things. And I also, just because we have Tether FUD, like I've been here and I've seen the Tether FUD all the time, but at the same time, you guys, One thing you do need to understand is news moves so fastly in crypto. And if you hear something, sometimes it's better just to be cautious. And that's why I swapped my USDT to USDC. It's not because I thought Tether was going to collapse, but that there's a small percentage that could happen. I don't want to get wrecked. So that's just me. Anyways, I got a video for you guys coming out at 3 p.m. PST. I will catch you guys tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. PST. And Happy New Year. Happy 2025. And Gensler is gone in 18 days. We'll have a party. Bye, babies. Bye, Ticky Tacky. Woo. Woo. I was just doing that.